Tips to make a girl crazy for you. Today, gentlemen, we have 10 valuable tips to share with you, which will help you captivate a girl's interest and drive her wild for you. While many guys may excel at conversing with girls, winning their genuine affection is often a different challenge altogether. Frequently, the missing piece of the puzzle lies in a few crucial elements that are absent from your life, those few essential ingredients that can leave a girl feeling unenthused or disinterested. However, there's no need to fret. We are here today to demonstrate how you can elevate your approach and make girls utterly infatuated with you. But wait, imagine compliments being traded in a marketplace. If you're not careful, yours can become commonplace and unremarkable. What you want is for your compliment to strike her like an unexpected flirtatious surprise. Sincerity and the element of surprise amplify the effect of a compliment. So, avoid making it obvious. Instead of showering her with a constant stream of compliments she's heard before, it's best to hold back for a while, commenting her appearance. There's a time and place for that. In other words, go beyond the surface. Subtly flatter her through engaging discussions and thoughtful questions. Be clever and allow her to infer your compliments without explicitly stating them. 2. Calm under fire. Experiencing stress and witnessing irrational behavior are significant turnoffs for girls. However, if you can remain composed, cool, and collected when faced with chaos, it becomes one of the simplest ways to drive a girl wild for you. Let's explore why. When a girl is stressed, it's common for those around her to mirror her level of stress. But here's the truth, although it may temporarily provide some comfort, it doesn't actually help her. That's where you come in. When you offer a calming presence amidst her turmoil, she takes notice. Oh yes, she does. Initially, she might even dislike it, almost guaranteed. However, she will eventually come around. The key is to avoid patronizing her or pretending too hard. What matters most is your genuine ability to empathize with her situation. The next time she feels a bit overwhelmed, it will be because she feels an intense connection with you, driving her wild. 3. Take notes. It's important for women to feel that they hold a special place in your thoughts. Therefore, it's crucial to remember and cherish the details she casually shares with you, such as her favorite band or her love for Capuchin monkeys. These are the kind of things that you absolutely must engrave in your memory and never forget. By surprising her later on with a trip to the zoo or tickets to see her favorite band, you demonstrate your thoughtfulness and genuine care. The fact that you remembered what she shared proves to her how attentive you are and how much her words matter to you. 4. Be game tight. Committing murder is morally wrong, and it's something we can all unanimously agree upon. However, it doesn't mean you shouldn't put effort into your appearance. Girls don't expect a guy to be dressed impeccably every time he steps out of the house. However, attraction tends to build gradually. It's unlikely that any single factor alone will greatly influence a girl to chase after you. Therefore, dressing slightly better than just a t-shirt and gym shoes, paying attention to your overall aesthetic, is a proven method of favorably ticking off the boxes and gradually driving a girl to become hopelessly infatuated with you. 5. KIT. Take a brief moment to consider the following question: how well maintained is your daily task list? What's that? You don't have one? While we can't definitively say that neglecting a to-do list is the sole cause of your issues, it's worth noting that a to-do list is an excellent tool for maintaining organization. Remember to K.I.T, keep it together. Girls are drawn to guys who possess a sense of organization for one primary reason: they get things done. Just think about it. Many guys excel at envisioning the end result without truly visualizing the necessary steps to achieve it. A to-do list keeps you connected to the process, ensuring that you know how to accomplish your goals. And if that isn't the secret sauce, well, then I'm not sure what is. 6. find your edge. It's a straightforward concept. Girls and men who pursue their interests and lead fulfilling lives. All things being equal, a girl doesn't desire a guy who has settled and stopped making an effort. Therefore, if you're wondering how to captivate a girl and make her go crazy for you, make it evident that you are unwavering in your pursuit of personal goals and relentlessly strive for self-improvement every day. 7. Reveal your soft. The biggest and strongest men have traditionally been regarded as more desirable compared to their counterparts. However, in the 21st century, women no longer need a man to hunt and provide dinner. Modern relationships are more focused on emotional connection rather than survival. To truly connect with a girl, you must be willing to open up and reveal your vulnerable side. Share glimpses of your personal life that you don't typically disclose to others. Remember, vulnerability is not a weakness but a strength. It plays a significant role in fostering genuine attraction. If you're seeking additional proven methods to make a girl see you in a different light, we have you covered right here. 8. Learn you. This particular trait may not always receive the attention it deserves, but if you genuinely wish to be respected by women, it is absolutely crucial. The reason is simple. In general, women are attracted to men who possess the ability to think critically and articulate their opinions effectively. By having a wealth of knowledge, you will effortlessly engage in conversations spanning various topics, without hesitation. This extensive knowledge, coupled with a valuable perspective, positions you well to tackle and resolve problems. If you aim to ignite a fervent interest in women, fuel the fire by continuously seeking opportunities to learn and expand your knowledge. 9. Improv. You may not be aware of this, but the extent of a girl's infatuation with you is directly linked to your ability to make her laugh. This connection stems from a study revealing that the more time a guy and girl spend sharing laughter, the higher the likelihood of developing mutual attraction. It's backed by science. If you feel like you're not naturally humorous, there's no need to panic. The standard for comedic appeal is often lower than you might imagine. Moreover, you can enhance your comedic skills by participating in an improv class. While it may sound unconventional at first, focused improv training can equip you with a specific set of skills that make you truly irresistible to women. 10. Get a side hustle. If there is one thing that successful individuals understand better than most, it is that the work doesn't end with an 8-hour workday. While your 9-to-5 job may offer opportunities for advancement within the company, it may not align with your long-term aspirations. Perhaps it's not what you envision yourself doing for the rest of your life. That's why having a side hustle is crucial. It allows you to break free from the monotony of daily grind and gives you meaningful goals to strive for. Whether it involves driving for Uber or writing dating advice for guys, pursue whatever brings you closer to the freedom and fulfillment you desire. Remember, any endeavor that propels you towards your goals is worth undertaking, and women will recognize and appreciate your drive as well. Now, let's address the most crucial aspect that can cause any girl to turn around and walk out the door. Everything we've discussed in this video boils down to this fundamental point. If you're the type of guy who avoids trying new things or challenging himself, you may receive some lukewarm interest. However, very few girls will truly go crazy for you. In fact, your laziness may drive her crazy as she tries to fix you. To avoid being perceived as someone lacking ambition, it's essential to identify the areas of your life that require improvement and take proactive steps to address them. While it's important in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.